I don't think people understand just how easy swapping tokens can be with Jupiter. Forget clunky interfaces, forget hidden fees. Let's break down why Jupiter is making waves in crypto. Jupiter isn't just another crypto platform. It's your all-in-one solution for getting the most out of your tokens on Solana. At its core, Jupiter is a DEX aggregator. Instead of hopping between decentralized exchanges hoping for the best price, Jupiter does the heavy lifting for you. It scans multiple exchanges and liquidity pools, instantly finding the best deal, so you always swap at optimal prices with minimal slippage and low transaction fees. But the magic doesn't stop there. Jupiter gives you pro-level trading tools. Like limit orders, you set your price, trade executes only when the market hits it. Want to automate your buys? Jupiter's dollar-cost averaging feature schedules regular swaps, taking the emotion out of trading. For moving assets across chains, Jupiter's bridge aggregator compares routes for the best deal. In a nutshell, Jupiter makes token flows effortless on Solana. Swapping tokens, scheduling regular swaps, bridging tokens across chains. Even if you're new to DeFi. So next time you're thinking about a crypto swap, remember, Jupiter's got your back every step of the way.